guys, this is Stacy, and it's been about 8 months since I saw her, and the last time I saw her, it was like an emergency situation. It was her brother's wedding, and her hair was blue orange. And her mom's like, hell no, you can't walk down your brother's aisle like that. You got to get your hair fixed. So we need to chop some off, and I decided to convert her over to a hand-painted balayage. Usually when I do color corrections, I am doing it with foil because it's a lot easier for me to control. But now that I don't need to correct anything anymore, because this is my work that I'm working on, I can go ahead and paint this. And she was like, wedding's over, so I want a purple and pink ombre. And I'm like, sweet, let's do it. So I am painting her with Sunlight's Balayage and Olaplex, and then my low lights are Magix 10 with an acidic gloss over it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the dimension back in her hair, and then I will process this, and then I will paint all the fun stuff on. So I'm just going ahead and feathering it up towards the scalp and painting in the pieces that I want bright, and then keeping things dark. I just really like to keep the dimension in the hair when I'm hand painting, and it'll fade off beautifully and it'll just look gorgeous. So I go ahead and just paint her money piece. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a zigzag pattern on the top because I really don't want any demarcation lines. And then I'm going to weave that, and then I'm going to paint on my low light because I need to add depth behind there. And then I am going to tease this to break up the line of demarcation, and then I am going to paint in my balayage pieces. I'm going to process that for 45 minutes. I am going to do my Olaplex treatment of number 2 for 10 minutes, and then I am going to paint on the fun color. And so I'm just using purples and pinks in here, and I am working them through on my hands, painting it around, saturating. I do comb through at times, but I really do work that pigment in with my hands. And sorry guys, I filmed this on my own. My assistant was gone that day, and so sometimes there's a bad glare going on at this time of day. I need to get some light curtains up there or something. But anyways, just working the purple in at the scalp. I thought it would be prettier to go with the dark color at the top, working into a light color. I really don't putting light color at the root and then dark color at the ends. It looks really weird to me. So just working it in, and then painting in the dark purple. And here's the final result, guys. First off, Stacy should never be blonde again. She looks absolutely amazing with this dark hair. I was like, damn girl, you look hot. So anyways, links in the bio, guys, and thanks for watching.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.